Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find out the product key or the license key of Windows 10 installed in your computer. Now the first method is to use command prompt. So just type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Paste the command and then hit the enter key, and here you can see the product key. You can note down the product key. The second way to get the product key is to use a third-party tool. So open any browser and go ahead and open the website that is nearsoft.net. So it's nearsoft.net. Open this link, scroll down, and under freeware system tool you will see an option which says product key recover office and Windows CD key. Click on it, scroll down, and here you can see under feedback you will see the option which says download product key for x64. So click on it. A zip file will download, so go to the download folder, click on show in folder, and then make a right click on the file and then click on extract to product key x64. A new folder will be created over here. Open this folder and here you will see the option which says product key. So open this and here you can see the product key of your Windows 10. Now if you have a hard copy of Windows 10 that you bought a CD or a DVD for Windows 10, or you bought a USB flash drive, so along with the retail box you might have received the product key of Windows 10. So from there you can also get the product key of the Windows 10. So this will help you to go ahead and get the Windows 10 product key from your computer. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.